In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can restore recently deleted Instagram posts. Okay, I'm going to open up Instagram and then I'm going to go to my profile. Okay, I'm on my profile, so let's just say for an example, I go to this post and then I hit the three dots and then I delete it. Okay, let's delete it. Okay, so that post is now gone. So if you want it back, you can go back to your profile and then tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner, and then you want to go to how you use Instagram, and you should have the Your Activity tab, and there you should see recently deleted. Tap on it. There's the picture right there. You can click on it. It'll be there for 30 days. Okay, then you can hit the three dots and then you can restore that and then restore it back to your profile. So that's just updating real quick. Now that's back on my profile. I can view my profile and it's back. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.